One question I made for myself and for you guys also to learn more about the syllabus. Okay, this may seem weird. Okay, how do we do this? Because normally in O levels and IGCSE, you find questions of the type either evaluating such expressions. Mm-hmm. Yeah, evaluating somewhat of this. Okay, or f of x is equals to a g of x. Okay, but here we have the input as a polynomial instead. So you may think of it as a composite function being given to us. But the question is, what is that composite? What is f? We know g is this, but what should f be such that we can evaluate only f? Okay, because this is given as f of g of x is equals to some polynomial which is given this here. Let's simplify this. Let's find this in terms of this to see what you can do. Uh, Firstly, we have this not being a 5, this being a 3, sorry. And this here, we can see that we can somehow factorize this right here. But we need another negative x squared. Well, let's add one. Negative 5x minus 5x squared. Now we subtracted 1, we need to add 1x as well. We get negative 5x plus x squared, like so. Really easy. Now we get x squared plus 2x to the cubed plus x to the fourth power. Here we can factorize out a x squared term like so. So if we factorize in x squared, we get x squared. So this would be 1 plus 2x plus x squared. Like so. See, we get x plus x squared. But we get 1 plus 2x as well for free. So which one is it? Well, let's see by factorizing this expression here. We can factorize this by it literally being 1 plus x squared. Wow, yeah, really mind blowing. But there is a slight problem. This is not as this form. So, how do we fix that? Well, let's force it to be. Why do we get this expression x squared plus 2x to the cube plus x to the fourth? We see these two are squares, these two are perfect squares, and so we can have an idea as to what can we expect from here. We can expect like so. We see that this is a perfect trinomial. We can factorize this. Instead of this, we can factorize this as such. Voila. If we add these together, these will be our f of x, f of g of x. So we get f of g of x, where g of x is equals to this x plus x squared is equals to negative 5x plus x squared plus x squared all cubed, all squared, sorry. And no, I am not going to rearrange such that the negative has a value in front of it. No, I refuse. Let's evaluate f of 3 given. Okay, here's a side question. When is x plus x squared equals to 3? Comment down below your solution and let's instead quickly end this video. So plugging in f of 3, we get negative 5 times 3 plus 3 squared is equals to negative 15 plus 9 is equals to negative 6x. So and if you like this video, like, subscribe and share, and goodbye.